Enlargement. Enlargements are specified by a centre and a scale factor. The process preserves angles of the object but changes the lengths. The scale factor can be an integer or a fraction, and it can be negative or positive. When the object is enlarged, it can either become larger or it can in fact go smaller. Here is an example of enlargement with a positive integer scale factor. Enlargement of object P with a centre of 0, 2 by a scale factor of 2. So, the first thing you need to do is mark the centre of enlargement, in this case 0, 2. Next, you need to draw guidelines from that centre to each corner of the shape. So for this example, we'll go through A, through B, through D, and through C. These will help you check your answers as you go along. Next, count how many squares there are from the centre enlargement to the first corner. On this one, it is 1 up and 2 right. Double this, because it's a scale factor of 2, so that you get 2 up and 4 right. This will be your new corner of A, which we'll call A dash. Next, count from the centre to the corner D. It doesn't matter what order you go in, I'm just choosing to go to D this time. This is 1 down and 3 right. When I double this from the centre, that will become 2 down and 6 right. That will become my corner D. Next, let's count another corner. This time we'll use B. B from the centre enlargement is 2 up and 5 right. So I will double this with a scale factor of 2 to become 4 up and 10 right from the centre enlargement. Lastly, my last corner is C, so that is 1 down and 4 right, which when I double by a scale factor will become 2 down and 8 right. This gives me all 4 corners of my shape. Note that all the points A, B, C and D fall on the guidelines that we worked with from the start, and it serves as a really useful check. Lastly, join all the points up together to form your new shape. The image, the new shape, will be mathematically similar to the original object being P. Each side should be 2 times larger, so this is 2 and this is 4. This goes across 3, this goes across 6. This is 2, this is 1, this is 2, and this was 3, this was 6. The angles are unchanged. And finally, you have your finished item. If you have a very square object, like an L shape or a triangle, you may not need to plot all 3 or 4 or 5 corners. You might be able to plot the first 2 or 3 and then see where your object gets placed and then how it's enlarged based on the scale factor.